This is an aftermarket battery for Ryobi 40V tools. I really like these batteries. I've been using them to mow my lawn. I don't even have to charge them because they are 8 ampere batteries, so they last a long time. What I do like is the fact that I got 2 of these for less than the cost of one 4 ampere battery from Ryobi. Manufacturers' batteries are overpriced, but you can get these aftermarket models for a fraction of the cost, and they work just as well. This fits onto the Ryobi charger with no problem at all, and charges just as fast as any other battery would, but a little bit longer because it is larger. I noticed that this battery here is an 8 ampere battery, but it's a little bit smaller than my other batteries. On the back, like you do on the Ryobi, you have the battery charge status, so you can see if we've got full charge, which we have full charge. Installing the battery is just like any other battery into your Ryobi 40V tool. Line up the slots and then push it in. Something I have noticed when using this battery is it can be challenging to remove. You think you would just push this little clip here and it would pull out. No, you have to put your finger under a little bit to release it. It's the only thing I found a little bit different with these batteries. So you can see here, when you push back here, it doesn't do anything. You have to put your finger all the way under and push it. You may think that the battery is actually stuck the first time you use it, but it isn't. Just put your finger under a little bit and push it down. With the battery installed, we can fire up the lawnmower. I haven't just used this battery on my lawnmower, I've been able to use it on my string trimmer, my auger, and my 40V chainsaw. So if you're looking for new batteries for your Ryobi 40V tools, recommend you get these here. You won't be disappointed. The value for money is excellent, and they work just as well as the branded Ryobi batteries.